So we've got your home listed and you're about to have your first open house. And so what are the steps to do to prepare for that open house? Hi, I'm James Goodman with the Goodman Taylor team. It's really important to make sure that your home shows great when people first walk up to the house. This will start with the curb appeal. We want to make sure that, we've got the yard looking great. Whether you want to do the yard yourself or maybe we help you find a service to come through, make sure that everything's looking good, everything's trimmed up, no leaves on the ground, anything like that. We want to sweep the walkways, make sure it looks great as they walk up to the front door of what could be their future home. And so after we've got the outside looking great, they're going to walk into your home. We want it to look as good as possible. We want it to look light, bright, and open. One of the analogies I use for people is I say, pretend like you're hosting a Thanksgiving or a holiday dinner and the in-laws are coming over. How would you want your home to show, right? We want to make sure that we declutter, nothing on any of the flat surfaces. We want the kitchen counter to be clean, end tables, bookshelves, everything to look really nice. We want lights on, the air set to a comfortable temperature. We want windows open. We want the windows nice and clean. Make sure that we don't have a bunch of stains or dirt on the windows or around the window seals. We just want to make sure that your home looks as good as possible. These little things like that, making sure your home shows well, they can make thousands of dollars difference in the offers that we receive on your home. We don't necessarily feel that every single room has to be quote unquote professionally staged. However, we do want each room to look as good as possible. What that's going to involve is, since you're already going to be moving anyway, we kind of want to declutter, get rid of some of the stuff, and depersonalize a little bit. While you might have a great eye for design and your home looks great to you, what we want to make sure is we want to make sure that any potential home buyers that come through your home, we want them to be able to envision themselves and their family enjoying the home just like you have over the past few years. So a lot of that is we can have some pictures and stuff out, but just not too many. Just a few pictures. We want beds made, everything put away. Garages and closets are a great area to store stuff. Of course, we still want things to be neatly put away in the closets in the garage, but it's a great area to kind of get stuff out of the main rooms. We want those bedrooms and hallways to look as big and as inviting as possible. When we do your open houses, we'll make sure that we have brochures, floor plans, and flyers. We'll have everything there that we need to make sure that our agents on staff at the open house are able to attract as many buyers as possible and give them all the pertinent information that they need on your home. If you're looking to get your home sold and get as much money as possible and get it sold on the terms that are best for you, please reach out to us at the Goodman Taylor team.